I have done Meet the Buyer previously, but not as the Bedford Hotel Belfast. So we're here to promote Belfast's newest luxury boutique hotel, connect with all these wonderful operators and buyers. It's a signature event of the year as far as connecting with buyers. Tourism NI do a fabulous job. Delighted to be a part of it and looking forward to getting business thereafter. Made some new connections, some existing connections from previous roles in Belfast. So yeah, really successful, lots of follow-up already, so I'm going to be really busy in the next few days, but really worthwhile. The benefits of the event, I mean, it's a great platform to connect with lots of people in one space. You know, in the hospitality, we're so busy in our day-to-day jobs. It's really difficult to get that level of contact, so it's a great way connecting with lots of people over a day and a half, and then you have the networking as well. So it's a mixture of sort of formal appointments and that informal networking, and you know, where else can you cover so many appointments and meet so many people?